Hello everyone, welcome to ComPDFKit channel. Today, let's talk about some image to Excel converters on the market. Part 1. The result of different image to Excel converter. First, we select an image that contains a table, logo, and background. Then we used 6 ways to convert the image to Excel. And we have got the different result as showing. You can pause for comparison. Then, you can find that ComPDFKit performs the best. Part 2. Cons and pros of every method. ComPDFKit Image Converter provides you with all the free features without any restrictions. Accurately identify table attributes in images, such as background colors. ilovepdf only the table style can be recognized, and the text is not complete. When you want to convert an image to Excel, you need to convert the image to PDF first. Imagetoexcel only supports 5 opportunities to convert images to Excel every day. The original layout of the image cannot be accurately restored, and it cannot recognize the table style. jpgtoexcel only recognizes text and cannot restore the table style. Cardscanner's text recognition effect is a good, but the line break processing effect is not ideal. The recognition effect of table attributes needs to be improved. Nanonets only supports conversion of tables and text in tables. Table row separation and text recognition are not ideal. Part 3. Convert image to Excel with ComPDFKit. Obviously, ComPDFKit is the best choice both in terms of results and trial limitations. So, let's explore how to convert images to Excel with ComPDFKit now. You will get a guide when you first come to the demo. Click the Settings button and choose the language that is suitable for your image's language. Click the Open file to upload the image. Then the result will show the right. And you can copy and paste it into an Excel directly. Or download it in JSON format. Subscribe, like, and comment us. See you next time.